And Nigeria is structurally skewed to favor Lagos economy. And this is the basic truth. How can Lagos have 3 functioning seaports with a 4th one in the works and every other place is languishing? How do you build an economy when everything is centered around Lagos? Is it because the Lagos establishment is afraid that if there is an operational seaport in the Eastern Maritime flank, which geographically is better for maritime operations, you're going to have diversion of port operations from the southeast, the south-south, the northeast to Akwa Ibom? Is it because they're afraid of revenue losses? It doesn't make any sense. We have to say the truth to power. Somebody imports a 40-foot container from Guangzhou to Lagos, and it will cost him 5 or 6 million naira to truck it to Aba. And you don't expect that he's going to pass on that inflation cost to the people? Considering the fact that we don't have standard gauge rail lines that extend horizontally from the southwest to the southeast. It's marginalization. Economic marginalization. And we have to speak truth to power. I don't know what the Southeast Governors Forum are doing. I don't know what they discuss when they meet. But there are critical areas that we must address. And we must bring to the table as soon as possible. The Southeast, yes, is the only region that does not have a high-pressure gas transmission pipe to take natural gas through it. You have the AKK, the Ajaokuta, Abuja, Kaduna, Kano. There is a second phase of that AKK that goes to Gausu in Zamfara. Now, in that AKK, you have pressure metering and reduction stations in Gwagwalada for Abuja. You have in Kaduna, you have in Kano. And then you're also going to have in Gausu when the second phase starts. That AKK is what the government hopes to extend for transnational gas pipeline through Niger Republic to Algeria, even if I don't think that will be feasible because of the lack of diplomatic relationship between Niger Republic and the Nigerian government in Abuja. Okay? The Southeast does not have a pipe that runs through it, despite the fact that Abia State produces a lot of natural gas. In 2007, Ibe Kachuku designed Nigerian Gas Master Plan, and in that master plan, he put a 121-kilometer pipe that is supposed to extend from Aba to Owerri, to Enugu, to Onitsha, and then to Nnewi. The government says that no, they want to do a TNGP pipe extension from Abia State to Ajaokuta, and the second phase is going to go from Abia State to Enugu to Ajaokuta. That is going to take gas away from the southeast, not through the southeast. You need a pipe that extends that because you need gas for glass fabrication, you need gas for urea, you need gas for power. 40% of the gas that is typically produced every day, either through associated gas that you get when you drill crude oil, yeah, or through non-associated gas fields, is used for electricity. So how do you want to increase generation and increase feedstock to the Gencos in the southeast if you don't build a high-pressure transmission pipe? Whose responsibility is it to make sure that this happens? It's the Nigerian Gas Infrastructure Company, which is a subsidiary of the NNPC group. So my question to the management of NNPC is, why have they refused to commission FID for gas pipes to the southeast? Why have the Southeast Governors Forum not gotten into a meeting with the president to ask him why the region does not have a gas pipe that runs through it?
Not in support of Igbo presidency. Go and check my post. I'm the one saying it. I'm an advocacy of holding your state governor accountable.
I have never been an advocacy of Igbo presidency. Not because I would not like an Igbo man to rule Nigeria. But that is not the true way of getting justice, fairness for the Igbo race, based on the marginalization they have faced over the years. I have repeatedly said it. Hold your governors accountable. You hear what that man is saying? What does the Igbo governors do when they go to Southeast Forum? What their intention? Am I also blaming the governors alone? No, I'm blaming the youths. Tomorrow now, these same youth that are supposed to hold the governor, the local government, their senators accountable, they will leave whatever they are doing and start claiming, we don't want a state, nobody should do anything, all we want is Biafra. 50 years plus has passed. You are not holding your governors accountable to develop your place. Instead, some of them are crying for presidency. Yeah, they don't want people to rule. Then some of them are saying, we don't want even presidency, we just want to leave. Ndigbo si na-ada agba aka azụ anị. A na-azụ anị, onye ji ji a na-akọnye ji, onye ji ede a na-akọnye ede. The North and the West are na-akọnye ji. If Nigeria split into three, I've repeatedly said it, West has Lagos to start with. North has Abuja to start with. What do we in the East have? Ndigbo. Is it River State? Is it Port Harcourt you'll be dragging? Or is it Enugu State that you use and brag? You'll be shouting freedom but no evidence. And we are free at last, but no evidence. You keep giving an excuse. Did you hear what that video said in the national TV? One of the seaports there was built by a state governor. By a state. Lagos State is building. You might say it's what do they call it? It's federal government that is empowering them. But why can't our governors come together and play the politics? And if the governors are not coming together because you think they are selfish, what are you, the citizens, doing to put pressure on your governors to do it for us? How many of you are on the streets agitating for the right cause? That's what I'm saying. Well, am I stopping you to say that you are not supposed to fight for Biafra? Nobody's stopping you. Nobody say you should not fight for Biafra. But why you are still fighting for Biafra? Why are you wearing clothes? Why are you brushing teeth? Why are you not waiting until you get Biafra before you marry? Why are you building houses? Why are you buying car? Why are you not waiting until Biafra come before you buy car and build houses? Because you want good thing. So why can't you, now that you are still in Nigeria, you never get Biafra, hold your governors accountable to do something for you, to build the seaport before Biafra come? Why are you always waiting until the Biafra come before you start doing something? This is what we are talking about. That you need to put things in order. Why you are still thinking that you don't want to be part of Nigeria? Now that you are still in Nigeria, before it comes to pass that you are not part of them, what are you doing to make sure that where you are favors you? The youth are not challenged in politics. Look at the women in Enugu protesting for the killing. Where are the youths? Imagine say so many of you after that thing, the youth went and hold the local government, which is your own brother, hold it down, hold him responsible for killing your people, shut down his house because it's your own brother. You cannot control the election of presidency. But many of you have the ability to control the election of their governors because it's with you. No matter how they want to rig the election, it's you people in the state they will see use and rig the election from the federal. So the state governor, you in your state can decide who will be your governor because it's your own brother. You can decide who will be your local government chairman. All those ones you say, election is being rigged. It's because many of you neglect it. On election day, some of you are playing ball, drinking something. That day, some people will not become more religious, go to church and do everything and say, now God elect people as president. All these governors and senators that misbehave, now God elect them. I mean, them put themselves there. But if now you force the right people to enter there, won't it be this different? I'm out of here, Joe.